Hello folks, today I wanted to talk to you about this ABS pipe. This is that black plastic pipe that was used in the early 70s. No longer is being manufactured, ABS pipe is, but not for drainage pipes like this. What we had is a problem with some of it that was cracking and failing on the folks, and that's why we had to stop making it. Come to find out, it was nothing but a recipe that was being used as faulty components, but we moved over to the white PVC. But this is ABS pipe, and what I wanted to share with you is, see, like right there, and I'll show my light right into it because there's no lights in here. It's actually leaking, a light leaking right there where it actually is being formed into the T. So this is why we talk about that, you know, why you want to continue watching it, because it does have a tendency to crack. Perfect example, this ABS pipe. Now, they don't make you automatically replace it, but when you do a remodel project and you get into the plumbing, a lot of municipalities will now make you turn around and get rid of it and go with the new pipe, PVC pipe. Anyway, folks, easy for me to say. I hope you enjoyed our videos. Watch out for this black plastic pipe. This is bad, and got some problems going on with it. Thank you, folks. I appreciate you watching our videos. Oh, look at that one right here. Let me shine that light. See how that's actually going in the wrong direction, actually rolling uphill. Anyway, that's just something different other than what the pipe itself. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.